Billy the Bear and the Sweet Honey. Deep in the forest lived Billy the Bear, a friendly little bear who loved honey. Every morning Billy would open his cupboard, take out his honey pot, and scoop a spoonful of the sweet golden treat. One sunny day, Billy reached into his honey pot and realized it was empty. "Oh no," said Billy, rubbing his soft round tummy. "I need more honey." So Billy put on his little backpack and padded through the tall trees, searching for something sweet. He sniffed the air with his big bare nose. Sniff, sniff, until he caught the smell of honey. Behind a tall pine tree, Billy found a buzzing beehive hanging from a branch. The bees were hard at work, gathering nectar from flowers. Billy sat down quietly and watched them. He knew that bees made honey, and he didn't want to scare them, so he spoke in a soft, gentle voice. "Hello, little bees. I'm Billy. May I please have some honey?" The bees heard Billy's polite words. "Buzz, buzz, buzz," they whispered to each other. Then one bee flew over to Billy and said, "We can share just a little, as long as you're kind and careful with our hive." Billy smiled from ear to ear. He held out a small jar, and the bee filled it with golden sticky honey. Billy thanked the bees again and again. Happy and excited, Billy hurried home. He opened the jar and drizzled the honey onto a piece of crunchy toast. It was so sweet and tasted like sunshine. From that day on, Billy made sure to always be polite and respectful to the bees. And every time he enjoyed a spoonful of honey, he remembered how kindness and gentle words make the sweetest friends. The end. Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more short stories like these. Thank you for listening.